first year student, and I will take you to a tour of Skotel, where you will be living your whole first year. We have here the low houses and the high houses, and if you're lucky you can get a great view from the balcony of the high houses. This is where our tour begins, and this is one of the high houses, and it's actually my house. I've been living here for 6 months, so I can show you around it. When we get inside, first we have 2 doors that lead to 2 of the units, and one unit holds 4 people that live in 2 rooms. But I will explain you more later when we get to my unit. So this is our kitchen where we where we have fun, we cook, we mingle, and yeah.
There's enough seating area for everyone.
Enough seating area for everyone. Here you can store your stuff in the closet that are designated to every unit, but honestly, we just put everything together. That's the upstairs of our house, and here we can find the lounge area. Again, here we hang out, we watch TV series, dramas, films, football, also the guys love to watch, and it's a great place basically to interact with your whole house, and maybe people from other houses as well. And we here enter my own unit, which we will get a tour of. First of all, we here have 4 wardrobes, each for every single person that lives here, and they are like top to bottom, so you can store quite a lot of stuff here. Here is my wardrobe. It is quite full right now because I live basically here, and here I personally store shoes, outside clothes. It's again quite big. Then we go, and that's the first room here. It's for my roommates. No, unit mates, whoops. Here we have the bathroom that we share together. We have 1 shower, 2 sinks, 2 mirrors. It's quite enough actually, and we've never had a fight with each other for who can bath first. Then we have the toilet. It's a standard toilet, nothing really fancy, but it works for us for sure. And now we get to my own room. That's my roommate here.
Hi.
Hi. We're in the process actually of moving out, so everything is kind of in the boxes, but I try to keep it so you can see the outline of a typical student room. You have cabinets, more cabinets. Inside here you have a safe, you can store your stuff that are valuable. A lot of shelf space to put whatever you like. People can put their clothes, books, everything that you like. Another nice desk that you can study on, a lamp. Also, you're divided by your roommate in this with this wall, so you have a little bit more personal space, even though personal space is interesting here.
Something you have to give up in the first year.
Yeah. And here you have your in-room wardrobe. Whoopsie. here again you can store whatever you like. It's quite enough of space, and I don't think you have a problem with storing everything that you have. The coolest thing of actually our room is the view. It's pretty nice. I mean, you have to admit it. And I think that wraps it up. The tour of our whole house, the unit, and the room as well.
Thank you.